Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to another video, you feel me? Hope you guys enjoyed the last video. Basically right now, bro, I hate waking up early. I have to go buy some things again at Chamberlain, but this time I had to wake up early because my dad's gonna leave it. I don't have a vehicle to go into Chamberlain. I don't wanna walk there. So I'm gonna go now. Alright, bet. My foot, okay, you probably can't see, but it's fully on the clutch. This thing doesn't want to go. Oh, wow, it only goes now. I bet. So basically I have to get, where is the paint that I got yesterday? That is not wow, this is the last time. I would have been so fucked. I have to get this. I need white paint for the suspension. Where is that? What color do I want to make the suspension? I think I'm gonna make it this color. I know I just picked that randomly, but I'm gonna make it this color. Cream. Cream looks nice. And we need black. Black is just for the other things. Black. I got the shit I said I needed and a little bit more. I mainly needed also sandpaper. You guys will understand why once we get back to the crib and do what we have to do. What the fuck did I... Damn, I passed the car. How did I pass this car? I have a flat. So I checked and I didn't even know that. But he said they can pump the tire here. Hopefully that's true. Cause I do not want to drive to the gas station, bro. I do not want to go there to go pump my tire. I pray that's true. Let's see. Let's find out. Said I have to come in here and go to the end there. I pray that's true. I really do. I don't see nobody. And I don't even know where I paint, so... The tire is pumped. I bet. Back to the car. I had a little breakfast after I went to go buy all of those things. But now I'm gonna tell you guys what we gonna do. And I'm gonna show you guys how everything that we did from the last video is looking right now. As you can see, they look way better than they were before. Way better than they were before. So we did that and we also did this. Right now what I'm gonna start with today is starting with this. I'm gonna finish, as you can see, here it's primed. And here it's still rusty and it's looking bad. That's how everything was yesterday. Even here, under the windshield. But I'm gonna fix all of this right now. We got our black dinners now. now we gotta apply thinners. After you let the thinners dry, let's start with the primer. I like steel wire wheels because when you use them, you don't really do that much damage onto the actual metal of the car. You're just basically shaving the layer on top. But the disadvantage is this. See all of these. If I wasn't wearing this shit, imagine you were shirtless. Don't work shirtless. Because imagine all of this would have went inside you. Pause. So what I had to just do right now is there were a couple of spots here that had to get primed. So first thing you do, rust remover. Put that on, leave it 5 minutes. After that, you can use the steel brush right there. Scrub everything, bro. Make sure that rust gets out. If you don't want to use a rust remover, then get a grinder and use a wire wheel. Don't use a actual, I don't remember what it's called. But yeah, you see that thing on top there, don't use that. It does do a good job. That's what we use for the whole car, but that can damage the car if you do not know how to do it properly, like me. Which, yes, I did do the whole car, but now we have a bunch of spots we have to fix up because of me. I had to prime at that spot, which you use the wire wheel or the rust remover, take out the rust, scrub, wipe, then put thinners on, and then you start to spray after the thinners. Spray here, do the same thing on here at the bottom. It was blue and under it, and then I had to do this side of the door because this side was done yesterday. I forgot to do my side. This was Maria's side. I have to do what we did here and on the other side at the back now. Around here, you can see it's pretty fucked up. It's not fucked up, just needs a little bit of work to make it look pretty again. Gotta do it on both sides.
Yeah, this is Gil Scott Harris.
now what we are gonna do, let's start with the hood. I think we're gonna primer the hood, and then we also have to take suspension apart, clean everything and respray every single thing. What's black is gonna stay black. Obviously the red is gonna go to a different color. That's the only thing that's gonna change color. The rest we're gonna spray paint black just to make it look way cleaner. What I took out in the last video, I have to strip it and put it in pieces because we're gonna repaint it in black, and then the springs we're gonna make them that color right there. So we're doing the same with the back. We took out the axle. We're gonna separate every single thing here, the shock, everything, to clean it up because you can see. I know the blue's from us, but there's a lot of rust and a lot of dirt, so we're gonna make this look way cleaner. And then the hood, I was busy with it. We saw it in the time lapse, but I'm gonna finish it later because I don't want to finish that thing now. We're gonna need it for that. We still also have to get new parts like this. We get pads, bearings, but we're gonna clean all of this up. It's gonna look brand new in black. I was gonna make it a different color, but I don't think it's gonna look better than black. You guys can see how dirty it is, how much rust it has.